Hello, my name is Tine. Today I'll make a very simple but so useful centering tool for a mini lathe. We all come to a point when we need to center some workpiece into a lathe, and especially with some tiny pieces it can be a long and nervous process to playing with a micrometer. But with that so simply tool we can center workpiece in a moment. I don't know how I can work so many times without it. First of all we need two bearings. I chose two bearings from RC car with outer diameter 11mm, inner diameter 5mm and 4mm wide. I also drew some plans for easier work, but make a few changes during work. I will make it out of aluminium, but can't find a piece I'm looking for, so I must cut out of whole plate. Plate is 12mm thick, so I just mark 12mm piece and cut it out. Then continue on mill to face surface and make it parallel. Okay, I got now nicely finished 12 by 10mm aluminium bar, 150mm long. But if I compare with the cutting tool, I think 100mm will be better dimension. Problem solved. Now clamp it to mill and cut both ends to get nice surface all around. Clamp the workpiece into mill upright and find center. Then make the groove for bearing. I make 10mm deep and about 4.1mm wide, so the bearing can running smooth. I use here 3mm mill, and after the groove is made I can easily extend them to a measure I want. These tiny mills always shift a bit left and right when milling, so if I use 4mm mill I got groove about 4.5mm wide with a single go, and that's too much. When you're done, repeat that also on other end, to get something like that. Now find the center on the end and drill 2.5mm hole, 4mm from the end. And now increase hole with 5mm mill, but only 10mm deep if you got 12mm wide workpiece. It's a bit hard to drill accurate hole with a mill, because it's always try to shift a bit. In that case I block the spindle just that much that steel can move down and got a bit less shifting. Of course we need to repeat all that process also on other side. Then on other side where we got 2.5mm hole, make chamfer for screw head. Then continue and make chamfer all around to get nicely finished part. There are a few tiny chamfers to make from a side, but I make them much faster with the sanding. Now I need to make axis for bearing. Firstly I got in mind steel for that part, but at the end chose brass, so it won't rust. This rod is already 5mm diameter, so all I need to do is face it, mark center, drill 2mm hole a few millimeter deep, cut them 2.5mm treat and cut it. Of course we need two pieces. Then turn around and face it to a length you need, in my case it's 10mm. And now I got everything I need to assemble the tool, but before, one more thing, anodizing. This time with black color. I tried to anodize into black many times with different type of colors, but every time got bad result. Also that time we can see some green or blue tone inside of black color, but when the part is boiled, tada! We got red color this time. Actually it's even not that bad. When I wipe the excess color away and polish with a paper towel I get really nice surface. But anodizing isn't just beauty process, it's also hardened surface of aluminium so it won't scratch that fast. And now it's time to assemble. It's not big deal, just insert bearing, hook it with an axis and secure axis with a screw. That's it. And yeah, repeat that on other side. Okay, let's mount it on tool post and try to center something. I clamp a thin piece into chuck and try to center it with my new tool. Just set low RPM and then touch workpiece with the bearing. See that? It's centering in a moment. Let's check what the micrometers say. Whoa, inside 2 micrometer. That's great. But then a piece of chip come to wheel. So once again, but it's really badly seen. Because the bearing is on both sides of a tool, it's really simple to centering also from other side. I didn't tell yet, when you want to center some workpiece, clamp it to a chuck and just lightly tighten the jaws. Then after centering, stop the lathe and tighten the chuck seriously. Just wow, really amazing simply tool, and even more simpler centering. I really don't know why I didn't make it before and save a lot of time in the past. I think my wife and children will be happier, because I got much more free time now. Nah, just kidding. That's it for today, thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe if you like, and see you next time.